So today I'm going to show you how to open an iPhone 12 and above. They use a much stronger adhesive, so I thought it was helpful to show you guys this. So I'd recommend using a heat plate. You can use a blow dryer. It'll have the same effect, but this will heat up the surface more evenly. You're going to heat it up until you feel the back of the device is pretty warm to the touch. That's how you know it's loosened that adhesive. So once you know that it is, definitely take out the pentalobe screws, and this is a step we could have done before. That way you're not handling a hot phone, but make sure that these are out, or else you're not going to be able to fix this phone or open the display. So once those are out, we're going to flip it over to the front, and the strategy here is we're going to use suction, and then we're also going to use 91% alcohol towards the bottom. So place your suction cup as close to the bottom as you can. This is generally the opening point for most iPhones. And we're going to attempt to get in between the frame and the display. So 91% alcohol, IPA, this will be safe for electronics, so there's not going to be any harm to the device. Now, you don't want to douse it, but you just want to apply a pretty small bead towards the bottom. You're going to pull up with the suction and attempt to get in there with a plastic pry tool. As you can see here, there's no harm in adding more. Don't force it. If you find that it's still difficult, add more heat or add more alcohol. So I'm just slowly lifting up, and now you can see we're beginning to have separation towards the bottom, and that's exactly what we're looking for. So the adhesive is exposed, and if I add even more alcohol or scraping, it's going to continue to release that. So I'm going to continue to scrape. Now I have access to the internals, and now I'm just going to keep that procedure around the whole perimeter and adding alcohol where needed. So once you've opened it one time, it's pretty easy to get back inside. So now we have access to the sides. There are a couple clips at the top, and so you are going to want to add some more alcohol there, and be aware that you're not putting your pry tool too deep into the top around those cameras, the front-facing camera, the ear speaker, or Face ID, as those can get damaged. So adding some more alcohol here. And you're really just going to use a combination of heat, 91% alcohol, and plastic pry tools are recommended. So now that we have done that, it easily opens to the left.